It's match play day in Coldwater, Ohio, and the house, aka the room, made it to match play. Time to go to the bowl. I'm like 60 over. Sloan's like 30 over, 40 over. Yeah, he's like 30 or 40 over. So I'm in 6th. He's probably in like 20th. Looking to make a run at this top 16. 4 games, top 16. 4 games, top 16. 4 games, top 16. All right, so a little preface to this. This is our last game of that first cashers round. Prather's about even. The cut's looking like it's going to be around 40 over, 40 something over. So he's going to need a big game. I'm at 60 over, so I just need to kind of survive, keep making spares, keep making good shots. This is one of those times it's really hard to keep your cool because of the situation. You know, we all know that we're kind of close. We need some strikes. We need some good shots. So the good shots are even more important, and the strikes are even more important than that. All right, so I made it on with 220 that game. Prather did not make it. I think he shot 220 as well, or 210 or something like that. Chris Vi made it in. Darren made it in. Mikey also got kicked out, and Nick Pate made it in. Nick's in like 4th. Darren's in 1st by quite a bit, so hopefully one of us can take this thing home. Top 16, we got 3 games, and they're cutting to 8. All right, so I got knocked out, which is a bummer, happens. I went back-to-back stuff 8 pins. I think I ended up missing by 18 or so when I needed to strike out in the 9th and 10th. And sometimes it just doesn't go down that way, especially in cold water, a lot. But the moment you guys have all been waiting for, which is Darren Tang winning his very first PBA title, which was sick. Shout out to him. You know, he's one of my good friends, a good friend of all of us. You know, he hangs out with us, he rooms with us, and he's been knocking on the door so many times. He finally got his chance. Well, I guess he got another chance, and he capitalized on this when he shot 250 to Cal Troops 170. And here are his winning moments. Shout out once again to Darren. Awesome job. He's been knocking on the door for so long, and he finally got that first PBA title. Many more to come, obviously, because he's a young buck. The next video that we're going to do another Q&A travel vlog. So for that Q&A travel vlog, let us know what you want to see, what questions you want to answer us, and obviously if you're a member of the channel, we're going to answer those first, or at least we're more likely to if it's anywhere near a decent question. So let us know down below what you guys want to ask us, and we'll try and get to all the questions we can. Peace.